Hey there, I'm Gabe with Manly Bands. Thanks so much for stopping by to check out one of our fantastic products. Today, we're going to be having a look at the Spark that comes in this fantastic box that's shipped quickly and efficiently to your door. I mean, if you're into shipping, this is the place to be. We love it. We like to keep it classy, we like to keep it fast. Inside, we've got our Manly Bands welcoming card telling you that you're fantastic and thank you for joining the Manly Bands movement. Customer service information if you need to have any questions answered about shipping or boating in general. And some pictographs telling you about social media. Post some pictures there. We'd love to see them. Tag us. You'll have a great time. Inside, here we go, in our beautiful box is the Spark. This is a carbon fiber, beautiful pattern on it. Right there, and as you look inside, you might be wondering what that is. What else comes with this beautiful ring? And I will show you. There we have it. The Spark has glass, has light-sensitive glass inlaid into the pattern. So, in short, it glows in the dark. That's basically what I'm trying to tell you. So check out the Spark. Inside, we've also got our black silicone band. If you're, that is obviously not glow in the dark, but still very slick. And we've got also some special offers, promotional materials, as those become available. Different discounts across people that we like to partner up with because, you know, we're a community like that. So, can we just go ahead and get those lights on? And they left. I think, yeah, they're gone for the day. So, I guess, yeah, go to manlybands.com and check out the Spark. Guess I'll turn off the cameras.